السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. سارة حسين من قناة تعلم العربية تحييكم ودرس جديد. اليوم سنتعلم الضمائر. Today we will learn pronouns. How to use pronouns in Arabic sentences. Firstly, you have to know we have 12 pronouns in Arabic. It divided to three groups. First speaker or first person pronouns أنا ونحن. أنا I نحن we. Third person pronouns أو ضمائر الغائب هو he هي she هما both of them because there is a double in Arabic, you know. هم they for masculine, هن they but for feminine. So the second person pronoun أنت أنتِ you. So all of them translated to you. But in Arabic it is special. It will be different from singular male, singular female, double group of male and female. So how to use that in Arabic? So we will know how to use these pronouns. I can say أنا سارة. I am Sarah. أنا and then your name. You can use that with verbal sentence. You can say أنا أكتب. نحن نلعب. نحن نشرب. Okay, so you can add verb or noun after this. If I say هي طبيبة. So هي she is a doctor. She is a doctor. هي طبيبة. هي طبيبة. Now I want to say she is a student. هي طالبة. Okay, now your turn. You can replace هي with أنا. I'm a doctor. So I will say أنا طبيبة. But for male, you will remove this تاء مربوطة. So feminine form put this تاء مربوطة. But for males, you will remove this تاء مربوطة and you will say هو طبيب. He is a doctor. Okay, so let's see some sentences using these pronouns with jobs. So طبيب is doctor, and I will attach some jobs for you in the first comment. Okay, so طبيب أنا طبيب. So أنا طبيب, I'm a doctor. نحن أطباء. So the plural for نحن, we are doctors. So طبيب أطباء. Now, if I want to replace the pronoun أنا with second person pronouns أنت, it's so easy. أنت طبيب. For female أنت طبيبة. So I will add this تاء مربوطة. أنت طبيب. أنت طبيبة. Like that. And you can complete going for all pronouns. So when I make Arabic sentence, this simple or short sentences, I will put pronoun and the other part of the sentence, noun or verb. Okay, I will consider is that male or female. Okay, you are male, so I will not put this تاء مربوطة. If you are female, I will talk to you as female and I add this تاء مربوطة. So now your turn. Translate these sentences into Arabic. Leave your answer in a comment and see you later. Don't forget to subscribe and like. لا تنسوا الإعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك بالقناة.